Orlando art lovers and explorers, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mark Raumaker with the Home Squad at SERHANT, an Orlando-based real estate team who loves to share all the great parts of living in Central Florida. Now today, we're diving into the vibrant art scene of our beautiful city. From hidden galleries to buzzing art events, we're taking you through the rich tapestry of creativity that Orlando has to offer. Now, whether you're an art connoisseur or just curious about local culture, this episode is your canvas to Orlando's artistic wonders. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell for more Orlando lifestyle, real estate, theme parks for locals, and cultural guides. First, let's talk about the must-visit galleries. The City Arts Factory in downtown Orlando is a fantastic start. It's a collective of art galleries showcasing local and international artists, with exhibits rotating every month. Then there's Snap Orlando, known for contemporary photography and visual media. Now, it's not just about viewing art, it's an immersive experience that often includes artist talks and workshops. And for those who love eclectic and funky art, the Falcon Bar and Gallery in Thornton Park is a must-see, combining art with a cozy bar atmosphere, which you know everyone loves. Orlando's art calendar is always full, and one event you can't miss is the Orlando International Fringe Theater Festival, which we've talked before on this channel about. It's not just theater, there are visual arts and music too. Now, coming up in a few months is the Winter Park Sidewalk Art Festival, one of the nation's oldest outdoor art festivals, featuring hundreds of artists from around the world. Now, but if you're looking for more interactive experiences, check out Immerse by Creative City Project. It literally turns the streets of downtown into an interactive art adventure. It's so cool. Now, let's shine a spotlight on some local artists. There's the incredible work of Thomas Detour Evans, known for his vibrant murals that often feature musical icons. His piece on the side of the soundbar is iconic. Then there's digital artist Jesslyn Park, who's making waves with her vivid Florida-inspired landscapes. Her work can be seen at various local businesses and galleries all over the city. Now, Orlando's art isn't confined to traditional galleries. You'll find art in unexpected places all over. The Grand Bohemian Hotel downtown hosts an immersive art collection, boasting pieces from local and international artists. And this is a good one. Don't miss the Art-O-Mat machines at the Hive, where for a few dollars, you can get a small original piece of art dispensed like a vintage candy machine. Community involvement is a big part of Orlando's art scene. Now, projects like the Manila Museum of American Art's Community Sculpture Garden invite local artists to contribute to the ever-changing landscape. The Downtown Arts District also runs several initiatives, including art education programs and community mural projects, fostering a sense of unity and creativity. Okay, for those wanting to dive into creating art themselves, there's some options. Orlando offers numerous classes and workshops. Sam Flax offers art classes ranging from painting to calligraphy, suitable for all ages and skill levels. Meanwhile, Crialde's School of the Arts offers workshops in pottery, photography, and more, often taught by prominent local artists. Orlando's art scene is a kaleidoscope of creativity and culture, and we've just scratched the surface. Now, whether you're here to explore, learn, or collect, there is literally something for every art enthusiast in our beautiful city. Now, for more insights into Orlando's vibrant lifestyle and culture, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Oh, if you also have any favorite local art spots or events, go ahead and share them in the comments below. We love to hear your thoughts. And remember, we're your go-to team for all things real estate in Central Florida. So thanks for watching and keep exploring the art and soul of Orlando. Thanks for joining us on this artistic journey through Orlando. Now stay tuned for more guides to the hidden gems and cultural highlights of our city. Subscribe now and be part of our Orlando vibrant community with us.